In most situations, substituting a three-way switch for a one-pole switch isn't permitted due to various electrical codes and safety concerns. Let's delve into the distinctions between these switches and the reasons behind this prohibition. Firstly, a one-pole switch is designed to control a single light or receptacle from one location. It has two terminals, commonly labeled as line and load. Its primary function is to open or close a circuit, turning the connected device on or off. In contrast, a three-way switch allows control of a single light or receptacle from two different locations. It features three terminals common, Traveler 1 and Traveler 2. These traveler terminals enable the switch to alternate the circuit path, providing control from multiple points. One key reason for the prohibition lies in the National Electrical Code, also known as NEC. The NEC typically mandates specific switch types for particular applications. Using a three-way switch where a one-pole switch is required can lead to a code violation. Compliance with these codes is crucial for ensuring safe and reliable electrical installations. Secondly, circuit protection is another significant factor. One-pole switches are designed to protect circuits from overloads. Substituting a three-way switch can compromise this protection mechanism. The three-way switch's internal configuration may not provide the same level of overload protection as a one-pole switch in a single location circuit. Thirdly, safety is paramount. Misusing switches can create electrical hazards, such as short circuits or shock risks. Incorrect wiring or improper switch selection can lead to dangerous situations. It's important to understand the intended application of each switch type to avoid potential hazards. There might be exceptions where using a three-way switch in place of a one-pole switch could be considered permissible, but these scenarios are highly specific and require careful consideration. Firstly, the circuit must be adequately protected by a circuit breaker or fuse that is correctly rated for the load. This ensures that any overload or short circuit is promptly detected and interrupted, preventing damage or hazards. Secondly, the three-way switch must be wired correctly in a parallel circuit. This configuration ensures that the circuit functions as intended and that the switch operates safely. Thirdly, the switch must comply with all applicable electrical codes and standards. This includes adherence to local regulations and industry best practices. Even with these exceptions, consulting a local electrical authority or a qualified electrician is always advisable before making any wiring modifications. They possess the expertise to assess the situation, ensure code compliance, and guarantee the safety of the installation. When dealing with electrical work, precision and adherence to regulations are essential. Incorrect wiring or improper switch selection can have severe consequences. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical installations, seeking professional assistance is always the best course of action. Consider the impact on circuit protection, especially concerning overloads. One-pole switches are inherently designed to protect circuits from such events in a single location circuit. By using a three-way switch improperly, you may inadvertently compromise this protection mechanism, potentially leading to hazards or equipment damage. Ensure that the circuit breaker or fuse is rated appropriately for the load to maintain safety and prevent overloads. The goal is to ensure that any modifications align with the intended functionality of the circuit and do not introduce any unintended consequences. Always prioritize safety and compliance with electrical codes to minimize risks and ensure the long-term reliability of the electrical system. Remember, even if certain exceptions exist, the overarching principle is to maintain a safe and compliant electrical system. Consulting with experts is crucial to achieving this goal. They can provide valuable insights and guidance to ensure that your electrical work is performed correctly and safely.